We now go to the Constitutional Court, where anticipation is building ahead of the ruling. Joining us now is Heeji Choi. Has the Constitutional Court completed preparations for tomorrow's verdict?
The Constitutional Court will rule on Yoon Seok-yeol's impeachment at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Only about 16 hours remain. The justices are currently working diligently on final tasks. Since the verdict date was set, the court hasn't disclosed the exact schedule of deliberations as a security measure. However, it's known that the justices have been holding deliberations both in the morning and afternoon yesterday and today, focusing on refining the final ruling. The direction of the decision whether to impeach, dismiss, or reject has been determined, and they are finalizing the grounds, key issues, and the court's conclusions. The final ruling will be written by Justice Hyung-sik Chung, who is presiding over the case, and any dissenting or supplementary opinions are expected to be included in the decision. Modifications to the ruling are possible until the justices give their final signatures. So, even until just before the trial tomorrow, some details in the ruling might still be adjusted.
With the verdict approaching, the atmosphere around the Constitutional Court is growing increasingly tense.
Correct. Security has been ramped up significantly following the announcement of the verdict date. In light of the circumstances, court personnel are restricting access and external contact to ensure everyone's safety and security. Justices deciding President Yoon's fate are under heavy protection, including police escorts to work. This situation is expected to continue tomorrow, with further restrictions on external personnel's access. According to the notice, there are significant restrictions on vehicle and media access. Until today, there were no specific limits on the number of journalists allowed inside, but tomorrow, each media outlet will be restricted to 3 journalists at most. That's the latest from the Constitutional Court.